Hello chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess YouTube channel. Today's chess video is about King's Indian drafts for intermediate players. I am going to give you 4 different tricks and drafts for intermediate players in King's Indian defense. Also, in the end of this video, I am going to give you a Checkmate puzzle for you. If you know the answer, if you do know the answer, please share your answer below the comment section that puzzles. Okay, let's go to the draft 1 in King's Indian defense for intermediate players. Okay. Hello everyone, this is draft number 1. Why by resign in 13 moves only, how to Black won the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Okay. Please watch out this full video. If you watch out this full video, you can improve your ELO fast. Okay. Let's go to the draft number 1 for intermediate players in King's Indian defense. Let's start with d4. This is called Queen's Pawn opening. Then Black played Knight f6. Okay, Indian defense. Then c4, Indian defense normal variation. Then g6, Indian defense West Indian defense. Then Knight c3. This is called King's Indian defense. Okay, now wow, Black played amazingly. Now bishop g7. Then e4, d6, bishop g5. Okay, we will see how to counter this match. Black made a beautiful castling, short castling he made. Then queen go to d2, white queen go to d2. Then Black played amazingly c5. Then white cut the pawn by the pawn. Then pawn take pawn. Then queen take the queen. Then rook take the queen. In this case, white lost in some moves. Okay, by resign some moves, we will see how to white resign by resign in some moves. Okay, this is 9th move of white. Bishop cross f6, knight take. Then bishop cross f6, bishop take the bishop. Then white play knight d5. Then knight c6. Then knight cross c6 and f6 and beautiful checkmate white. Then pawn take the knight. Okay, we will see how to counter this match white. White knight go to e2. Then Black knight go to b4. Now beautiful attack. Black f. If move rook c1, yeah, that's it. Now poke and wrap the rook. Now we will see. I am going to explain. This knight come to here and check and wrap the rook, and also this knight attack this pawn too. We will see. Another move of Black. Knight go to d3. Now check. If king e2 moves, if move here again another check. Then he cannot double check here. You can see now this rook check like this, and this knight also check here. If king go to there, king go to there, then wrap the rook. That's it. That's why white resign in 13 moves only. We can go to the wrap number 2 in King's Indian defense. Okay. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you. We can go to the wrap number 2. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess YouTube channel. This is wrap number 2 in King's Indian defense. Why Black resign in 11 moves only, how to white won the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Please watch until finish this video. Let's start with d4. This is called Queen's Pawn opening. Knight f6, Indian defense. Then c4, Indian defense normal variation. Then g6. Okay, this is called Indian defense West Indian defense. Knight c3. This is called King's Indian defense. Okay, then another move of Black. Black bishop go to g7. Then e4, d6, f3 and beautiful castling. Okay, we will see how to counter this match white. White bishop go to e3, then e5. Okay, we will see how to counter this match white. White queen go to d2, then c6. He played c6 pawn. Then long castling make white. White has super idea, and right now another move of knight a6. This is the mistakes he did. Black. That's why easily won the game white. We will see. Another move, 9th move of d cross e5. Pawn take pawn and d cross e5. This is the big blunder. That's why Black resign in 11th moves only. We will see how to Black resign. Now queen take the queen. Then rook take the queen. Then rook cross d8 and check. Then bishop Black the check with f8. White is a rook up. Okay. That's why Black resigned this match. We can go to the wrap number 3. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to Sarmilan Chess YouTube channel. This is rap number 3. In 10 moves, Black Resign. Why Black Resign in 10 moves? How to white won the game? I'm going to explain and analyze deeply. Please watch and finish this video. Okay, let's go to the moves. D4, Queen's phone opening, Knight F6, Indian defense, C4, G6, Knight C3. This is King's Indian defense. Then pawn go to D6, Black pawn. Then white knight go to F3, Black knight go to D7 and bishop G5. We will see how to counter this match. Black pawn go to E5. This is big mistake he did because now pawn take pawn and attack the knight by the pawn. Then knight take the pawn take the pawn. Then knight take the pawn. Then he take with his knight. This is the blunder he made. That's why this game easily won white. Okay. Another move of queen take queen. Then king take the queen. Then bishop take the knight and check. Then king go to there, wrap the knight. That's it. That's why this game won white. Black Resign, because black has less pieces, white has so many pieces. That's why Black Resign in 10 moves only. Okay, let's go to the rap number 4. Hello everyone, welcome to Sarmilan Chess YouTube channel. This is rap number 4 in King's Indian defense for intermediate players. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move, D4, Queen's phone opening, Knight F6, Indian defense C4, G6, Knight C3. This is called King's Indian defense. Then black bishop go to G7. Then E4, D6, Knight F3, then beautiful castling he made, and bishop go to E2, then knight to D7, then beautiful castling he made, the white made a beautiful castling, then B6, then E5, D cross E5, then D cross E5. Now attack the knight by the phone, then knight go to G4, now dribble attack the phone. What this is, white won easily. You can see how to white won the game. Okay, E6, then F cross C6, this is the big mistakes he did, black. Then white go to knight G5. Then attack the pawn by the knight. Then bishop attack the knight. Okay, we will see how to counter this match. Black knight come to DE5. Then beautiful move make. Bishop take the knight by the wait. Take the knight by the bishop. And queen cross D1, then bishop cross D1. That's it. In this match, totally white won because white has 2 rook, 2 bishop, and 2 knight. Black has 2 rook, 2 bishop, and a knight and 7 pawns. In this match, easily won what? Okay, let's go to the checkmate puzzles now. Hello everyone, this is checkmate puzzles time. Okay, this is start this first move is white turn. How to white won by checkmate in 4 moves only. Do need to find the right answer. If you know the answer, please share your answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the answer below the comment section. Please watch until finish this video. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. I am telling again, this is checkmate puzzles time. White moves, first move is white moves. In 4 moves, white won by checkmate. Okay. If you know the answer, please share your answer below the comment section. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye. God bless everyone.